welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Mrs. Zaman and here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. New KDigo guidelines for treating patients with diabetes and chronic kidney disease. The latest clinical practice guidelines from the Kidney Disease Improving Global Outcomes or KDigo organization offers advice for treating patients with diabetes and chronic kidney disease, which is CKD. A synopsis published in Annals of Internal Medicine focuses on the key recommendations pertinent to the following issues, which are comprehensive care, glycemic monitoring and targets, lifestyle interventions, anti-hyperglycemic therapies, and educational and integrated care approaches to management. The KDigo guideline update is based upon literature searches last conducted in December 2021, limiting the searches to randomized controlled trials only, and updated these searches in February 2022 at the time of the public review. The evidence synthesis and meta-analysis methods undertaken for the KDigo 2020 Clinical Practice Guideline for Diabetes Management and Chronic Kidney Disease were followed for the 2022 guideline update. Eating almonds increases beneficial fat after intense exercise session, says a study. A randomized controlled trial in Frontiers in Nutrition showed that female and male participants who ate 57-gram almonds daily for 1 month had more of the beneficial fat 12,13-dihydroxy-9-Z octadecanoic acid or 12,13-dihome in short in their blood immediately after a session of intense exercise than control participants. This molecule, a so-called oxylipin or oxidized fat, is synthesized from linoleic acid by brown fat tissue and has a beneficial effect on metabolic health and energy regulation. The clinical trial involved 38 men and 26 women between the ages of 30 and 65 who didn't engage in regular weight training. Performance measures included a 30-second Wingate anaerobic test, a 50-meter shuttle run test, and vertical jump, bench press, and leg back strength exercises. Additional blood and urine samples were taken immediately after this 90-minute session of eccentric exercise and daily for 4 days afterwards. Adoptive T cell receptor therapy shows early anti-tumor activity in trial. Afami transgene autoleucel or Afami cell, formerly ADP-A2M4, an adoptive T cell receptor or TCR therapy targeting the MAGE-A4 cancer antigen, achieved clinically significant results for patients with multiple solid tumor types in a phase 1 clinical trial led by researchers at the University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center. The outcomes published in Nature Medicine were especially noteworthy in the subgroup of patients with synovial sarcoma, where Afami cell achieved an objective response rate of 44% compared to the overall response rate of 24% across all cancer types. Previous ideas regarding Alzheimer's disease challenged in new study. A new USC Leonard Davis School of Gerontology study challenges existing ideas of how buildup of a protein called amyloid beta or A-beta in the brain is related to Alzheimer's disease. While buildup of amyloid protein has been associated with Alzheimer's-related neurodegeneration, little is known about how the protein relates to normal brain aging, according to study authors. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.